this workout, we're going to start building your alternate picking muscles. Alternate picking is the key to playing fast and smooth, which is important for every style of music. So go grab your guitar, and just do what I do. Well, the first step for developing your alternate picking muscles is to just focus on the open strings. That way we're not getting distracted by coordinating our two hands together, which will be the focus of the next alternate picking exercise. If you've mastered all the exercises in levels 1 through 3, you want to think about alternate picking like little itty-bitty strum patterns. So to start out, we're just going to focus on speed and comfort by playing the open strings forwards and backwards. First, we're going to do a round of eighth notes, where we just do a down-up on each string. Once we get to the bottom, we're going to wait 2 beats, and then reverse direction. Here's what that looks like with the drum track at 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. We're going to start at 50 beats per minute and work our way up to 100 beats per minute. Then we'll do a round of triplets, which will be a little bit faster than the eighth notes. And since it's 3 notes per string, you'll have to alternate between down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's going to be really good for practicing your string crossing and starting a new string with an up pluck, which will probably be kind of awkward in the beginning. Here's what that sounds like with a drum track at 100 beats per minute. Ready? Go. And after we've worked our way up to 100 beats per minute with triplets, we'll do the same thing with 16th notes, which are going to be twice as fast as the 8th notes and doing 4 plucks per string. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Here's what that sounds like with the drum track at our goal speed of 100. Ready? Go! And then after that, we're going to try and mix things up so it feels a little more like real life. We're going to alternate between doing 3 notes per string and 2 notes. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then we'll reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. But listen to the plucking directions. Down, up, 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 down. It's going to feel slightly random and weird, but that's the point. We are keeping our hand moving down and up consistently, like our windshield wiper strumming. It's just the windshield wiper strumming, but on a much smaller level. With this one, we're going to start at 80 beats per minute and work our way up to 150 beats per minute since we're just doing eighth notes. Here's what it sounds like with the drum track. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, well, before we get going, just pause the video, try everything out at your own speed a few times, and maybe while you're at it, just click that like button so YouTube knows to push this channel to more beginning guitarists like yourself. Thanks. Now we're going to start with eighth notes at 50 beats per minute. Here we go. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready? Go! Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. All right, now let's go to triplets at 50 beats per minute. And as we start getting closer to 100, you're going to want to focus on moving as little as possible when you're plucking. So when you pluck the string, try not to go too far past it, because that's going to be kind of a waste of time and energy. The key to going fast is to move as little as possible. And then also try not to grip your pick too tightly. You want it to give a little bit. Things to keep in mind as you're trying this out. Here we go. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, nice work. Now let's do a round of 16th notes. Ready, go. 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 All right, last one. Ready, go. Ready, go. Woo! How was that? If you found it challenging, no worries. I did too, actually. It took me a couple takes to get one that I liked. So if you didn't get up to 100, no worries. Just keep trying it, keep testing yourself, and I promise you'll see the improvement happen after a couple weeks or so. All right, now let's start mixing it up. We're doing 3 plucks, then 2, 3 plucks, then 2, 3 plucks, then 2. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, ready, go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Well, how was that? Hopefully if you've done all the strumming exercises leading up to this, it felt pretty easy. In the next video, we're going to start getting your left hand involved, so be on the lookout for that. Or maybe there's a button you could click around here that will tell YouTube to tell you when more videos come out. Or maybe there's a button you could click where you can tell YouTube that you liked this video and want to see more, and that you think maybe more people like yourself should see it. And then maybe YouTube will push this channel out to more people. And then I can dedicate more time to it, making more videos. See, it really just kind of benefits everybody, don't you think? I don't know, I'm just throwing things out there. All right, see you in the next video. Bye!